Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga post ng Barda FC, hello Watson's fans. Catch Kapuso Primetime Princess Barbie Fortesa for close-up and pambansang ginoo David Licauco Derm Aid at BeautyCon 2025 at SMX Convention Center, Functions Room 125 on August 28. So from 2 o'clock to 2:30 nga si David Licauco, tapos si Barbie Fortesa naman ay from 3 o'clock to 3:30 p.m. At next ay picture from Monique Bertuso, yung asawa ni Chef Mike. At ito IG story from Ken Z. At na si David, more pictures of David Licauco playing basketball for FIBA 3x3. At ito na nga. At meron tayong close-up. Ayan, pinakamaliit pala siya. At nag-trending nga siya kanina at number 16, David Fortaho story. At no namang tinignan ko at around 12:57 ay trending pa rin siya, David Fortaho story. At yan yung biceps. At ito isang fan nagpo-picture kay David.
Everyone is David Licauco of the whole story and I'm inviting you all to watch Pilipinas United against Chile.
Hey! Starting off this player at number 1, David Licauco. Let's see that.
Grabe ang tataas ng mga kasama niya. Alam ko 5'11 na si David, pero yung mga kasama niya mga 6-footer na, no? Ayun na, at napakagaling pa rin maglaro ni David Licauco. At varsity player nga siya, guys.
Push me is continue himself. Diba? Yung David na basketball lang yung nasa utak. Yung David na super passive sa basketball. Na everyday yun lang. Kobe, basketball, uwi, kain, tulog, basketball. 2 p.m. pa lang hanggang 9 p.m. nagalaro na ako ng bata ako. I think yun yung reason ko kung bakit.
Ayun na nga, rukawang-rukawa yung style niya, no? Basketball maghapon, tapos natulog lang sa school.
I'm really grateful na nabigyan ako ng opportunity na Pilipinas United Basketball League. Dahil, again, it's my dream. Halos lahat naman ng mga Pilipinas may pangarap na so, it's something na I'm really grateful for. To be honest, it's not easy. But as long as you want something. I love acting, I love my business, I love basketball. Pagmahal mo kasi yung mga bagay na yun. For like, if you learn,
ayun na nga, mga payo ni David Licauco.
To love something, kahit anong mangyari, gagawin mo lahat eh. So, pero syempre, tao lang din ako. So, there will be times na mapagod, and there will be times na won't be consistent. But what I try to really do is to like have a system in place. Diba? Like yung morning routine ko.
Ayun na nga yung discipline ni David sa pagbabasketball.
As long as I have those in place, gagawa ko lahat. Still have to keep on going. I have to learn more, especially in basketball. Also in acting, not perfect yet. Yeah, kasi nagulat talaga ako sa speed ko laro. Siyempre, it's the very first 3x3 league in this level. It's different. I'm playing with pros, playing international na kalaban namin. Yeah, a lot of adjustments for sure in the next games. But yeah, I will think about it.
Ay na more of the interview of David Licauco.
I will visualize and see what happens. I would say a while ago, it's a learning experience for me. Siyempre, sabi nga first game jitters, kinakabahan, hindi ko lang nasa na ako kanina, parang bumukol. Basta, I mean, hopefully the next game, they can make back with me. It's not really, hindi kami ganun katagal nakapag-ensayo together as a team. So, right now, siyempre sa first game,
ay oo nga, natalo pala sila sa first game.
I heard na yung Japan team daw, matagal na daw sila talagang impact. Talaga nag-training, team talaga sila. And kami medyo, especially ako, bagong pasok, diba? So, kanina, talagang nangibago kami sa isa't isa. But, yun, moving forward, kailangan namin mag-usap. Kailangan namin communicate sa loob ng court. And, yeah, hopefully, get there. Maraming salamat sa mga support sa akin, sa larangan ng pag-artista, at ngayon naman sa basketball.
Ay na, David Licauco thanking his fans.
Pasensya na kung medyo malabo yung laro ko kanina, pero bawi ako. May nagsabi ka sa akin kanina, you just need have fun. I'm gonna have fun.
At tweet ka ng David's advocate, David Licauco was congratulated by his manager, Mr. ALV, after winning the second match. At next ay post ng GMA News, watch David Licauco react to Taho Stories win, securing a 21-14 win over Smile 360 Dental Clinic in the Filipinas United 3x3 League, a FIBA 3x3 Light Quest held at the mall in Parañaque City in August 23. Licauco also chipped in a basket during the match.
Basta itong second game mo, parang mas nakabawi kayo, tsaka warm up ka na talaga doon sa first game.
Yeah, I think this time, mas nagkaroon kami ng communication as a team. We really worked our way for the win. And ako rin, I think I was able to warm up from the first game. The first game jitters na, like I'm here, I'm actually playing in the Light Quest. It was such a overwhelming feeling for me kanina. But now,
Ayun, so mukhang nung una ay nanibago nga sila David.
we got the groove and thankfully, maayos ay pinapakita natin.
Meron ka games tomorrow?
Yeah, meron akong games tomorrow.
Yung stuff is different.
Yeah, tomorrow is playoffs na tomorrow. So, I'm really excited for that.
Okay, so may ano pa rin ba kayo? Training after this?
Maybe we're just gonna gather and talk about what happened, talk about our plan for tomorrow.
Okay, thank you so much, David, and congratulations on your second game!
Ayan na nga, si David Licauco at At ito nga yung pagpasok ni David Licauco sa court. Ayan na nga. Si David, the handsome David Licauco, ayan. Sa court. At ayan yung mga ka-teammates niya na mas matangkad sa kanya. Mga 6-footer. Grabe. Ay, cute to. At ayan. Ay, mas malaki to. Oo, ang tangkad niya, no? Grabe. At yan na yung kanyang buong team. At next nga ay nag-comment nga si Nurse Gia. Sabi niya si Amanda daw, yung isang member ng Barda Elites, ay namatay daw sa sakit sa puso. Feeling niya raw ay dinamdam ni Amanda ang nakita niya sa Siargao plus scandal issue kay David. At babasahin lang natin yung tweet ng Barda Elites Global. Good evening. It is with heaviest of hearts that we announce the untimely passing of our dear friend, fellow Barda fan Amanda. Together with Amanda, 5 fans brainstormed and gave birth to Barda Elites Global. It was our shared mission to bring the names of Barbie and David to a wider world, and Amanda poured her love and dedication into this goal. As we mourn, we ask everyone to keep Amanda and her family in your thoughts and prayers. Out of respect for them, we will not be answering any questions regarding the details of her passing. For any group-related concerns, transactions, please direct them to Anna. So ayun na nga. Condolence to Amanda's family. Ako ang naalala ko kay Amanda, yung mga tweet nila tungkol kay Kenzie, yung parang akala ko talaga naliligaw sa kanya si Kenzie, yun pala. Fantasy lang pala. At isa rin tong napaka-active sa Twitter dati. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!